Today we're working on a Chevy Cruze. This happens to be a 2012 model. And what we're doing today is we are removing the instrument cluster. Remove this top cover, column cover. Next thing we have to do is to remove this plastic piece on the top. Grab it way in the front. And that will remove that. Now there are 4 7mm headed screws that hold this piece on. One right here, 2, 3, 4. I removed 3 of them, and this is the last one. And then that piece will come off. Next, the cluster is held on by these 2 7mm headed screws up here. So there are 2 7mm screws on the bottom of the cluster. This one on the right's a little tricky. Limited on space. The one on the left, a little easy to get at. Okay, we're getting that screw. Luckily they're not in there that tight. Got it. And there's the cluster. Now on the back of the cluster we have one electrical connection. And there it is. So that's all there is to removing an instrument cluster from your Chevy Cruze.